Hi guys, we're gonna cook a beautiful curry chicken with potato from start to finish. Hi guys, welcome to Selvin Kitchen today people. In Selvin Kitchen we have an awesome delicious recipe for you guys today. So in Selvin Kitchen guys, we're gonna do a curry chicken, but we're gonna do a different type of curry chicken today. We're gonna do a curry chicken cooked down with potato. Over here guys, we have one white onion already cut up already. We have one red bell pepper. We have one carrot. We have a half of green bell pepper. We have a tablespoon of curry powder. We have 2.5 tablespoons of vegetable oil. We have 1 teaspoon of onion powder. We have 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. We have 1 teaspoon of all-purpose season. We have 4 cloves of garlic finely chopped. We have a piece of ginger finely chopped. We have 1 spring onion. We have 6 potatoes. So today we're gonna use the red potato. You can use any type of potato for your like, for your taste. Over here, we have 1 kilogram of chicken. We already clean already. We already cut up already. And we already wash them and everything prepared. So we're gonna use a little bit of oyster sauce. So in Selvin Kitchen guys, we're gonna cook a curry chicken cooked down with potato. Stay tuned guys. Yes, my beautiful people. So this been brown off for the last 2 minutes. So now I'm just gonna add in my curry powder. I'm gonna mix in all of that ginger, all of that garlic, that onion to combine with that curry powder. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna reduce the heat underneath that pot, and then I'm gonna give that 2 minutes to cook down with that curry powder, with the onion, with that garlic. And now I'm just gonna season up my chicken now. Yes guys, so now I'm just gonna season up this chicken. So now I'm just gonna add in my onion powder, garlic powder, all-purpose season, so I'm just gonna put my hand in it and use the old-fashioned way. I want to mix in all of that season to combine with that chicken. So meanwhile, the curry powder over there with the garlic and the ginger and the onion cooking on nicely. Where you go jumping out? Go back in. If you notice, I didn't add no salt to it as yet, because the all-purpose season having salt, and then the oyster sauce having a little bit of salt in it. So you don't want to add salt in it as yet. So I'm gonna leave that there for around 2 minutes. Look at that, my beautiful people. So the onion now already cooked with that nice curry powder. So now I'm just gonna add in the chicken now. Give that a nice stir. I want that chicken to combine with that curry. Oh my God, you can smell the flavor come out of this already. If you see people, look in the pot, see it? There's not a drip of oil in it, there's minimum oil in it. This chicken will sweat its own oil and its own water, produce its own water. So I ain't gonna add no water in this for the time being. I'm just gonna put on the lid on this, and I'm gonna prepare the potato. Yes guys, so this chicken been cooking for the last 4 minutes. Look at that, people. Look at that beautiful chicken. So I didn't have no water to it. It produced its own water. It sweated its own water. Look at that. Oh, that is beautiful already, people. Look at that. That's nice. Nice different type of curry chicken today in Selvin kitchen, guys. Yes guys, so I just peel the potato. I'm just gonna wash them off now. Give them a nice wash. So I'll let them drain off all of that water, and then now we're just gonna slice them up now. Yes, my beautiful people. Oh my word, look at that curry chicken, guys. Look at that. Oh yes. Oh yes, my people. So now I'm just gonna add in the carrot. Oyster sauce, and I had in around 3 teaspoons. Give that a nice mix right there. If you notice, I don't add in the bell pepper and the spring onion as yet. I like my food to have a little bit of color when I'm cooking my food. Just gonna put on the lid on that. Yes, my beautiful people, so my potato in it for the last 3 minutes. I'm just gonna look on it now. Oh yes, look on that. That's just coming down nicely. See all of that curry juice, the flavor of that curry to go right between that potato, all of that seasoning. So now I'm just gonna add a piece of thyme to it. It's gonna add in the bell pepper now. If you notice this, people, I had in the bell pepper at the last moment. So that is the bell pepper. Give it a nice stir. Because you don't want to put too many water in your pot. Just let it steam. Cook it. So put back the lid on that. I'm gonna check that another 2 minutes so it's coming down. Yes, my beautiful people, look at that, guys. You want to smell the flavor what come out of this? So now I ain't gonna stir it no more, just give it a little shake like that. Gonna add in the spring onion now. Just coming down nicely. Beautiful curry chicken cooked down with potato, people, in Selvin kitchen. So now, guys, when you stir it, just give it a slightly stir like that. You don't want to break up the potato too much. Oh yes. Oh yes, people, look at that, guys. A beautiful color. I'm telling you, guys, sometimes you're just tired of the pasta, you're just tired of the rice, you're tired of just something different. Sometimes you want to surprise your wife, you want to surprise your husband. Just cook something different. You give that 2 minutes more. You want to know if the potato cook. I'm just going to use a spoon, or just use a holder and just take a piece of the potato and just taste it. If it cook, you just use a spoon, just cut it like that. See, potato cook. Give it a taste. Oh yes, you can taste that curry flavor marinate right down in that potato. You don't want to dry it out too much. I'm gonna give it another 2 minutes, and then it's ready to go, my beautiful people. Look at that beautiful recipe in Selvin kitchen. Guys, try this recipe and tell me what you think. This recipe is not hard, it's an easy recipe, very easy recipe. So I'm gonna give that another 2 minutes. Yes, my beautiful people, look at that, guys. This is all finished now, so I ain't gonna dry it out too much because you want a little bit of the gravy when eating it, a little bit of the sauce. Just gonna switch up that fire. Oh yes, look at that, my beautiful people. Look at that. That is all finished, guys. Beautiful recipe. Yes, my beautiful people, thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. And anybody want to be a patron, I'm gonna drop the link to be a patron and view the channel for the rest of the awesome delicious recipe, guys. And please like the video before you go, and if you don't subscribe, please subscribe before you go. Selvin Kitchen, I will see you guys in the next video. Stay safe. Selvin Kitchen, love.